Reading 10963. My father appeared to me in a dream and scolded me.
Many years have gone by since my father passed away, and 2 days ago I saw him again in a dream. He was angry with me and scolded me all night long, continuing to tell me, "You've put yourself in too much debt, and now I am about to start a new business. Could this perhaps be a message not to proceed? Master, I would like for you to help me clarify this. Thank you so much."
What do you think this debt is that your father spoke of? He gave his life for your growth. So if you were not able to make use of this great sacrifice of his, he would not be able to free himself and continue on his journey in the dimension of the souls. He would be forced to remain by your side. To the question of what is the greatest desire of parents toward their children, anyone would answer, their greatest desire is for their children's well-being. And in fact, they invest their whole life to obtain precisely that result. However, when it happens that your parents tell you such a thing in a dream, it means that you have not yet managed to find a way to live rightly. Just living each day with joy would be enough to make those debts disappear. Bringing flowers or good food to the graves of your parents, as is the custom here in the East, would change nothing. But a simple phrase like, "Father, thank you, I am living joyfully," would result in everything melting away. If you find yourself in financial difficulties, you owe it to the fact that you are not living authentically. So instead of complaining, you should reflect on the reasons that brought you to that condition and commit yourself for at least 100 days of self-study. By the end of this period, you will see some improvement, after which you should continue with your study for 3 more years. If you do not put forth your effort in this way, your situation will not change and may even worsen. There will be no difficulties for those who walk the righteous path. But every deviation from the path is punctually signaled by nature with obstacles and difficulties along the way. The biggest problem lies in the fact that no one knows what it means to live rightly. Each of you has your own talents. Authentic living is knowing what you have come here to do and using your abilities to accomplish it. I'm here to help you discover this awareness. If you learn to live with gratitude and joy, your father would obtain a great release and he would no longer talk to you about debt. If your life was a happy one, you would also have the power to attract gratitude-filled souls to you, who would support you with their strength and follow you for the rest of your life.